Hey, we're finally here. We are finally doing our vision board. And I have four green slides to show you. So we're just going to jump in. Why a vision board? Whenever I do things, I always want to know why I'm doing it and how it's going to benefit me. So I just wanted to start here. It's for visualization, visual. That means you can see it, right? So visualization can be powerful. When you see what you want to do, it can help you get to your goal. The vision board that we're working on, you've been brainstorming goals for the last couple weeks. So these are things that are important to you, personal goals and school goals. Now, the slides that we're going over now, I'm going to put it in your second slide because you'll be able to click on all these links and get to examples. When you click right here where it says Google Slides, a Google slide will pop up for you. A Google slide is where you're going to be putting your pictures on. When you click on here, it's going to show you a sample of what Miss Clardy did with her vision board. I'm going to jump over there for a minute. There's a link. So here's a sample of a vision board that I created. I did a lot of things to it, so that was the sample. It goes through how I made it and what the pictures were. There are pictures like of Disney on there because I've never been to Disney and I want to go there someday. There are pictures of math because maybe you want to work on math and get better at it this year. So all your creative ideas that you've been thinking about, the things that you brainstormed, and the pictures that you collected last week as part of your assignment are things that will go on here. Okay? It will also show you how to add the pictures to your vision board. So it will show you visually. That means it's going to show you how to do it by seeing it. But also, if you get stuck, here are the directions. But if I was you, I would watch this video because it shows you exactly how to go collect them. There's also a bad example. Now this is your project. The only way it's going to be a bad example is if it's sloppy and you can't see all the pictures. So let's just hop to that real quick. Here is an example of an unacceptable vision board. Okay, and the reason it's unacceptable, and I just flashed through this one quick, but remember you get to go back and look at the slide and open it up. The reason it's unacceptable is because the pictures were all over each other and you couldn't see the words and it just looked like it was just thrown together, okay? So you want to make sure that you kind of space it out so it looks neat, okay? You could always shrink poster or pictures. Let's jump ahead to slide number 3. Remember, there are 4 slides that we'll be looking at. Your vision board must include the following, okay? Activities that you enjoy doing or would like to do. Maybe you want to go ski boarding or snowboarding and you've never snowboarded before. That might be a picture on there. Maybe you love fishing. Maybe that's a picture on there, okay? So activities that you enjoy doing or that you'd like to do. The next one is places where you'll feel happy or would like to go. Maybe you want to go up north to Duluth. Maybe you want to go to California. Maybe you want to go see your relatives in Kentucky. Or maybe you want to go to another country like Vietnam or Africa. Let me know. Where would you like to go? And then finally, you need to find a quote that's kind of like a group of words that kind of represent what you think. Like the one that I used is that I wanted to be happy in it. I think it has the word happy and joy and fun and that kind of thing. So just think of a word and just Google it as a picture and you'll probably find a quote. And finally, this is most important, your vision board is a work in progress, which means you are doing something this year in November, and maybe by the end of the year, everything will change, okay? Or maybe not until next year, okay? There's no wrong way to create the vision board, okay? So yours does not have to look like Miss Clardy's. Yours should express you. And then your vision board is a gift to you from your best self. All I would like to do is just recap. That means tell you again that the 4 slides that we just went through will be in the next box. And so when you get to the next box, be sure when you see something like this to double click on it because it has a link for it. If you have any problems or need any help, Miss Clardy has office hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, if you want to start this sometime today and office hours are always already over, just send me a message and I would be happy to jump on and do a FaceTime with you. Okay? Have fun.